What clothing do people wear, such as students or nurses, to show that they belong to the same organization? Uniform. What gas will be formed from the boiling water? Vapor. What is the ceremony where two people get married? Wedding. What do we call the legal document that states how people's property should be allocated after their deaths? Will.
What is 1/2 of 100%?
%50.
What is the natural material used to make a car tire?
Rubber.
Which part of the body do we use the nasal spray in?
Nose, nostril.
What is the opposite of positive?
Negative.
What are 3/4 of 100%?
%75.
If someone's response is simultaneous, is it quick or slow?
Quick.
If a coat had a stain in it, where would you take it?
Dry cleaners.
If your coat has a stain, but you're not allowed to wash it in washing machines, where would you take it?
dry cleaners,
If you want to study the human brain and behavior, what should you be?
psychologist,
What do bees collect from flowers?
pollen, nectar,
What is the antonym of vertical?
horizontal,